Hi, today we're going to make really easy fried rice. We're going to preheat a pan with 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to whisk 3 eggs. Then we just pour it in the pan. The oil has to be very, very hot, and we just move it around with a fork until it's cooked. It will break, but it doesn't matter because eventually we'll have to break this like an omelet, and once it's done, we just leave it aside. Leave it on the side of the pan where it doesn't have that much heat. And then we're just going to add the vegetables. I put 2 tablespoons of green onions, and then I added 1 cup of, these were frozen, and then I added 1 cup of frozen vegetables. And then I had made the day before 1 cup of rice cooked, and then I left it in the refrigerator all night. The rice has to be very cold, otherwise it turns out to be like very mushy, and so it has to be very, very cold. And then you just add 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar,